Module 6, Google Analytics. Let's start by looking at the agenda for this module. We'll first talk about Google Analytics introduction. We'll move on to Google signing up Google Analytics. We'll see how we can add Google Analytics in WordPress. We'll discuss various types of traffic. We'll look at real-time reporting. Next, we'll set up goals. Let's look at how we can set up views and filter and use them. Then we'll move on to using dashboards. In the end, we'll look at user management. So let's start with Google Analytics introduction. So let me start with an example. Imagine you have a business and you have different customers walking into your business. It is tough for you to keep a tab on where the customers are coming from. What do they do in the store? How much time do they spend in your store? And did they even buy or just were window shopping? And if they bought something, what did they buy? Enter analytics. So if your business were online, you can use web analytics to get the information for whatever you're looking for with your business. Web analytics will basically help you in data collection, measurement, data analysis, and would in turn help you in reporting insights and actionable to a certain extent. For example, if you're a website owner and you have analytics integrated into your website, you could know the number of visitors to your website, the traffic sources, that is where the visitors are coming from to your website or from the places they end up landing at your website, the amount of time or average amount of time they spend on your website, the number of pages they visit, bounce rate, that is how fast they left your website. All this is possible with web analytics, and we are going to talk more about Google Analytics in this module. Google Analytics is one of the free and most reliable tools used across the digital space for web analytics. Let's talk about Google Analytics in brief before we could do a hands-on with that. Google Analytics is basically a free platform tool available for anyone with Google account. Its primary usage is for data collection, and you can use it to measure your paid or organic traffic performance. You can understand using Google Analytics visitor or customer behavior. You can generate standard or custom reports using it. There are two versions of Google Analytics available. One is standard, other one is for enterprises, which is known as Google Analytics 360, which was also known as Google Analytics Premium. In this module, we will be working with Google Analytics standard version, which is the most common version used across the web.